Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yowangdu.com. I would like to introduce our today's chef, Tsering Tamding. He's going to do the cook for us today.
Hi, today I want to make a Tibetan Timo. It's a Tibetan steamed buns, and it is like traditionally we eat with some vegetable or yak meats. And here we don't have a yak meat, so I make with the beef, and it is beautiful. And like I make a small with the presentations, with the little greens, a little bit colorfuls, and it tastes yummy and it looks very good. And children loves it.
Thank you, Tsering La. Let's start it now.
This is yeast, so it is like a 1/8 teaspoon. So I can put in the water, I can mix it, and it will gives you a little kick, and it will comes like a more softness and more beautiful, you know. Okay, I'm making a Timo for 4 peoples, and number first, this is all-purpose of flours, and secondly, I have water with the yeast. And number third, I have a baking powders. It is like a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoons. Number fifth, I have a salt. You can see the recipes. In the salt, it just only need little bit flavor. That's it. The flour is AP flour, all-purpose of flour, and I put 2 cups and half for the 4 peoples, and I have first I can mix with baking powders and salt. Then you have to mix all flours, or you have to mix it every single corner, every single places, you know, mix well. Then after you mix it, then you have to put the water. Then you can do very smoothly, not a strong way. If you do the strong hand, strong power, then the Timo's got angry and it's not comes like a beautiful. Okay, now I mix good with the salt and the baking powder and the AP flour. Then you have to put water slowly, and you have to do very gentle with a smooth hand, not with a strong hand. Water for 4 people for Timo's, and 2.5 cups of AP flours, and you can put like water for 1 cup. So the flour comes like this. Oh my goodness, I love it. Now I have to cover this for the half an hour, and it can rise a little bit, then we can steam it. When you finish the dough have to, when you do the smoothly, the sound comes like this way. That is perfect dough. And after half an hour you can roll. Now I can roll the dough with a little bit to put on the pan, the cutting board, and bring the dough here and roll it like this. Then you can roll it. Turn it. Cut it half. Then I can bring the pieces like this. That's different how big you want. I make a small, and people love to eat small, and if you see the big one, and people get full already. Okay, now I can roll the Timo's, bring it, pull it a little bit and bring it and twist it. See what a beautiful small pieces. I love it. Pull a little bit and roll it again, and roll it one more time, roll it one more time, and press the bottom and the twist it and bring it like press back in these 2 fingers. That's it, and it will stay like this. One more time, like same things, roll back and twist it. You can do many different design, and people don't like to roll it, and you can just roll it like this and just press it on the bottom one and just leave it like this. This is called Tibetan steamed bun, you have to steamer the water. When the water is boiled, then you can put little pan oil here, the pan oil, or you can use any kind of oil. Just put the steam here, like it will come stuck later. And that's it, oil. The key is that when you all stuck together and it cooks very hardly, this need more room, like a 2 inches, any like a 1 inches, 2 inches. You can give a space for them to raise more. Okay, now the water is boiling. Then I can put it here for for 12 minutes, and I can cover it. Timer start 12 minutes. There we go, 12 minutes, and the Timo is ready. Tibetan steam dumpling, steam buns. Okay, after 12 minutes the Timo is cooked already. See the Timo like this. It is cooked and softness and everything. Then you can roll it and you can put it here. And you can roll it. Then you can put it in your serving plates. And you can eat it like this. See, it should be like beautiful. It cooks already everything inside. After 12 minutes. Tibetan Timo, steam buns. This Timo is done right now, the Tibetan steam bun, and enjoy it. It's beautiful and it is really good for your health. And steam, there's no any oil and nothing, is really good. And the children loves it too. It's fresh. You can make every day fresh. And thank you watching for yourowntour.com, and enjoy the food. And if you have any comment or something, how do you like it, please write something about the comment and enjoy. Thank you, and Tashi Dalek.